Hi, it's Janet McHugh. Thanks for tuning in. Are you struggling with how to make money on the side, as they call it, or trying to find a way to make money from home and fire your boss, or go on a vacation, or pay off your mortgage early, or save money to send your kids to college, or 100 other things that you just want to do and haven't had the time to be able to find that way, or just haven't had the money because you're working the 9 to 5 or the 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. or whatever it is, lots of overtime, and overtime just means more tax money taken out. It doesn't mean more money in your pocket, as we all know. And then the taxes come around and you pay your taxes all year round and you're thinking, oh, I'm going to get a good check this year, and your good check ends up going to catch up your bills, and ooh, so much for going on vacation or putting that money towards the college fund or fixing the house or the roof or the car or buying the new car or whatever it may be. So you're back to square one, but at least your bills are caught up somewhat. So let's talk about making money from home. There's ways to do it. I'll say in your spare time, as they call it. I don't know that anybody has any spare time. You really squeeze time in. That's the best way to put it. If you really want to make money, you find a way to do it. You give up TV every single night for 4 or 5 hours a night, or you get up a little bit earlier, or you find ways. You don't go out every Friday night to drink with your buddies or your girlfriends, or you don't do karaoke Thursdays, or whatever it is. You find a way. When you really want out of that hole, you find a way. So let me talk about some of the ways I've tried in the past. In the past, I've sold Avon. I've sold Kirby vacuums. I've sold insurance. I've sold cars. I've sold, the list goes on. I can't even remember, because if it exists, I've probably sold it. Oh, I sold sweatshirts in a kiosk at a mall over Christmas. In my spare time, I was running a restaurant full-time and still managed to fit in hours selling sweatshirts on commission in a kiosk at a mall because I needed the money in spite of being a general manager at a restaurant. That should tell you I know what you're talking about. I know what it's like to have too many bills or too much month left at the end of your money. Been there, done that. I feel your pain, okay? So, other ways to make money, you can sell leggings online. I do that. I have 2 different companies I represent for leggings. I sell My Lala Leggings and I sell leggingarmy.com. You can find both of those links at my website, janetmchugh.com. I have flipped houses. And for someone that tells you, oh, let's go to that seminar, it's free, they're going to give us a insert free gift here, camera, tablet, book series, whatever the gift they're giving you to lure you in for free. So you'll come to their seminar to learn how to flip houses with insert celebrity guest here. Yeah, it's just a lure, okay? It's not easy. Been there, done that. I got lured in. Then they ask you to spend $1,500 to $5,000. Then you go to a 3-day weekend where they ask you to spend $10,000 to $100,000 to learn their system where you buy in. But don't you worry, when you buy in, you get all this other stuff for free. Doesn't matter that free means you just wrote them a check for $10, $20, $30, $40, $100,000, okay? It's free. Don't forget that. It's free. So, you learn their system, and then after you spent the weekend there, then you go do a week of whatever camp they want to call it, boot camp, training camp, flipping camp, whatever it is, and then you get a year of support where you can pick up the phone and call them if you have problems. But let's be honest, flipping houses is hard. The market is hard. For every house that's out there, there's 100 bids. There's people that buy houses sight unseen, put bids in, and buy them while you're out there following the little recipe. Step by step, you go and do your due diligence. You look at every single thing, you measure, you do your formulas, you do every single thing possible to look at the house. But by that time, there's already been 50 bids in. Half of them never looked at the house. The other half sent someone out who took a couple pictures and called them and said, hey, here's my opinion of the house. It's got a bad roof, it's got bad floors, it's got termites in that wall over there. The pool's bad, but it's workable. And it's this many square foot based on what the realtor told me. Okay? Then they put a bid in and they measure, they say, based on this many square foot, we're going to spend this much, $10, $20, $30 a square foot to remodel, and they put their bid in. Okay? Or the realtor has pocket listings and you're new, so you're not going to get the pocket listings, okay? You're going to get the pocket listings once you've been in the business for 3, 4, 5 years and have worked with the realtor for 3, 4, 5 years, and you're their favorite customer because you've bought 10, 20, 30 houses from them and you've made them a lot of money. But honey, you're not going to get their pocket listings right away. Don't think you are. So, you can make money flipping houses, but A, it's hard work. And if you're going to say, I'm good with my hands, I can do that, it's back-breaking work. Been there, done that. Myself, flipped houses, did the construction, hired the electrician to inspect my work, hired the plumber to do it, had someone help me with the roof, put the roof on myself, did the framing myself, remodeled bathrooms, kitchens, everything. It's hard work. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise, okay? So, now let's get back to real life. You can make a lot of money flipping houses as long as you have the time, the money to invest, you know, $100,000. Or you can, in the right neighborhood, get it done for $50,000, and you have a lot of time, a year, 6 months maybe, but a year is more reasonable. And if your budget is $50,000, add 10 to 15% for things that you're not expecting. So there's other things you can sell. You can sell skincare, makeup, nutrition. I sell Arbonne also. And if you go by company guidelines for most of these companies, they want you to sell to every person you know. How do you feel about going up to your mother, brother, sister, father, grandmother, cousin, aunt, best friend, every person you work with that makes little or no money on an hourly wage and has more month left at the end of their money, like you, and saying, would you please help me in my online business or my new business and buy my product? You can sell cookware. By the way, I sell Arbonne too, but I don't do any pressure. So you can sell cookware, bakeware. You can sell all sorts of things online. You can invest in hard money loans. I do that. That's where you take whatever money you have saved and you find a company that does hard money lending and you invest through them, and they loan the money to people that build houses or construction companies, and then you get an interest payment every month or every 3 months or every year or whatever it is they work with. Okay? There's absolutely no work in that. There is risk, but for work, zero. I like zero work, okay? I'd like more money, but I like zero work. I can't lie. There's times that I'm really lazy, okay? And I get more out of that than I did out of the stock market. Have you looked at the stock market lately? Is your money still there? And if so, don't take this wrong, but are you freaking crazy? Sorry. My bad. Okay, got off that tantrum. I took my money out of the stock market just in time, by the way, because It's really going crazy. Okay? So, you have other options. There's all sorts of online marketing companies and online Bitcoin and online sell my herbal weight loss and sell my jewelry companies and sell my everything companies. Sell my. Okay? And then there's this company that I know about that is abso-freaking-lutely incredible. I'm really happy to say that I went out with my partner, Patrick Heller, and we found a company. I should say he found a company. I had nothing to do with finding the company. I mean, nope, not me. He found them. Totally 100% him. He found the company, and he came home and he said, "Hey honey, watch this video." So I watched the video, and he said, "What do you think of the video?" And I went, "Seriously? For real? Let me watch that video again." So I watched the video again. And then we watched the video together. Oh, that can't be real. They got like a 15-step process. And when you go through the 15 steps, they give you like this business advisor who helps you. He's kind of like a coach, business advisor, a dude that you talk to on the phone that says, "Hey, you can do this, and you can do this," and he helps you, and you're like, "For real, for real?" Yeah, and they show you steps and everything. And then if you want, you can like buy the book. Kind of gave you a peek, didn't I? So then you do that. And then if you want, they help you set up online businesses where you can sell whatever it is you really wanted to sell. Or like me, where I already had an online business or three, help me figure out how to sell that stuff online. I didn't say the other word that everyone knows me. I say crap all the time. Let's be honest here. They taught me how to sell my crap online, okay? There, I said it, all right? Taught me all about owning my own shit. Not owning someone else's stuff. Not advertising someone else's name. Owning my name. That's why it's janetmchugh.com. I know I sound silly, but it is what it is. So I hooked up with this company, and they're called Legendary Marketer. And I'm going to give you the link. Only the link to them. Not even my own website. Just the link to them on how you can hook up with them at the end of this video. And I want to tell you, I highly recommend them. I am so impressed with these people. Patrick and I are just like, if I could just take these people that have been helping us and give them a hug cross country, I'd be like, hug, 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 hug. Okay, they're like wonderful. Every single person that we've spoken to, without fail, has been awesome sauce. Totally awesome sauce. Okay? Now, if you know me, you know that's like the bomb. Okay? They've been helpful, supportive. I can pick up the phone and call them. I can go online and talk to them. I can say, what if, how do I? They do Zoom meetings. They do morning calls 5 days a week where you get on for help and questions and like everything. And they've got web pages on Facebook and where you go, and then they've got this incredible website that answers every question, and then they've got a help desk if you have another question that nobody else answered. The help desk, you just bloop, 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 go onto the little help desk and you ask them the question and then they fix it. I mean, it's really pretty cool. Like I said, highly, highly, highly recommend them. So I'm going to put their link, and there's a book. How's that for a tease? You almost saw their name. But I don't know that I'm allowed to say their name yet, so I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna sit here and tease you with the book. Anyway, guys, highly recommend the link that I'm putting in my website, or in my video. And it goes right to my link for their website. And I hope you check it out. And I hope you push play, as I say. Push the link, watch the video, sign up. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. Don't just go to one step and watch the one step and say, no, this don't work. This isn't for me. Do the steps. Walk through it. Pay attention. Actually, quit watching stuff like this and saying, oh, I can't do it, or oh, I can't do this. You got to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, how the do you expect anyone else to believe in yourself, okay? It's really that simple. Everything stops right here. If you don't do you, how is anybody else supposed to do you? It's kind of like a relationship. If you're in a relationship and you don't love yourself, how do you expect your partner to love you? It's that easy. If you don't believe in yourself, how do you expect anyone else to? So first of all, start by believing in yourself. Watch the videos. Go through all the little steps. Don't just give them lip service and say, oh yeah, I did that. Honey, if you don't do it, you can't say you did. If you don't do it and give it a chance, a real chance, how do you expect to succeed? It's really that easy. Just, you know, hey, try it, okay? Try it. It's that easy. So, okay, I'm done with my rant. Are we having fun yet? I know I did. So, have a great day. The link for what I'm talking about is going to be right down there. My website, in case you missed it, janetmccue.com. JANETMCCUE.com. Hey, y'all have a good night now. You hear? Come on back. Bye.